and even us who don't support it, we are all in the same basket. So some of us must show the population that we are not part. And the members of parliament who will refuse to sign this motion, I urge the public to vote them out, because that will be a signal to the population that they are corrupt and they support corruption. I also want to say that those people, there are some members of parliament who are alleging that the parliamentary leadership has called them saying the president has stopped them from signing. They should not put that on the president. The president's communication, the way he communicates is clear. He can write, or if not, he calls the NRM parliamentary caucus. Now, those who are alleging, especially the parliamentary leadership, that the president has said don't sign, they are just looking for their own escape. If the president wants this motion not to go on, he will call all of us. I belong to the NRM parliamentary caucus, which has not taken place. I have not heard any word from the president against this motion. So I urge members of parliament who still want to be relevant and clean in society to come and append their signatures. I also want to appeal to these members, Honorable Sechikubo, Sarah, and others who are spearheading this, that publish those who are not coming to sign. Publish them. They are calling it a joke, but the population is waiting for them.
Yes. So I, together with some colleagues, have come to sign this censure motion for removal of commissioners. I want to firstly appreciate colleagues who are spearheading this. The Honorable Theodore Sechikubo, Honorable Sarah Opendi, who are joined to launch it by Honorable Patrick Nsamba, Honorable Seungu, and others. This is very imperative. And for us in NUP, it vindicates us, because when we raised an alarm over this issue regarding our commissioner, some people thought this is an internal party fight. And they kept saying, wait a minute, why are you digressing from the critical issue of money that people sat and irregularly awarded themselves? So we are vindicated, because this clearly shows it's not an internal party fight of NUP. Honorable Sechikubo does not belong to NUP, neither does Honorable Sarah Opendi and the other dozens of members of parliament that have signed. What happened is an irregularity. For colleague leaders to sit and award themselves money, millions of shillings, 500 million shillings, 400, they would have been vindicated if they had suggested it as a proposal in that meeting, taken it through the relevant committee, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, and then brought it on the floor of Parliament for discussion.
Yomu bisesi mukanaja nkanyije nanite wo mukono gwanje ngekizwe ina ando parliament kurugomba bakanyisha nabitu kanda babasize kozesa esente mu buryo butayikire kandi tubabire bagiye cyo kureberaho ngeno bali mu kuba cyo kureberaho itekwa kubiya mu gesije ibire bitune kizu cya corruption n'iki stiganisi hanga gitu mwenu giteka bameba parliament twata kwa batajirwanisize tubataje cy'abantu bitu
banji bali balowooza nti azake mu commission bamujjayo lwafujjo nendoza mutansula bya buli kimuntu nga kize mu lwatu nti abali bakole fujjo be bano nti abali bakole bituufu be bajjibwayo. So nze ndi musanyufu nnyo kubanga kino kikolebwa era maze wiki namba nga practicing akasignature kange mbaddeyo mu country tour nga practicing akasignature kange neme kutuuka wano nga baga nti ate kabadde kabula musi yeyo kati nkataddeko bulungi nnyo era owekitiibwa mukama waffe atukulembeddemu Right Honorable Lop Joel Ssenyonyi nkwebaza olw'otukulemberamu ng'abakulembeze ab'opposition ne tuvaayo ng'aba MP okulaba nga kino tukiteekako omukono kubanga ekibiina kyaffe kyasalawo dda era kino twakikola dda katubanga baganda baffe batwegaseeko abali mu bibiina ebirala kirungi nnyo era njagala tutwala omukisa guno okuyita bannaffe abali mu FDC, bannaffe abali mu DP, bannaffe abali mu UPC, ba independents n'abenale mu ggwe twagala emikono nga 5. Tetwagala just 17 gyokka, twagala tulage nti tuli kimu ku nsonga y'obulyake.
Ne chance inisa na ufore parties ibiri mu parliament ibiri ey'abashuma amene y'abati. So waba no supporting abashuma otasayini. Kandi waba no supporting okutibe sente za government na parliament otasayini because okusayininga kwanje kyamanyisa ngo abana bashuma gonga bijebehozeho mu parliament tugamira kufirentonda space buze. Tuirenturonda space afro ya parliament and we are denied space yabo. When nothing to end up jirondo maseka kifuba then to drawing a line bonire. A line ya red abashumo amwena batali bashumo.
Ahabwa GNTV ya Garkotia ndi Kirintoni nahabwe mjomba.
Webale mnonga Clinton twagumizamo enshonga z'aba commissioner nazo ziriyo nezireta akanana katano mu ishenjero abanyishenjero habebembirwe Honorable Theodore Sechkubo gonor kujwekera barwe miyaga nawe yargo yayibembera ryabo abaryo nubaronde mikono yo kutaje papara cyo kwihamo bwesije nangwa no kubinga ba commissioner aba awakazente kubarira kubazenga kabakataro mbuteka kandi Honorable Sechkubo yargo yashaba nabandi abanyishenjero batakajereyo bakataho mukono okwija bakahandika kipapureki kureba ngo bayegesa ba commissioner aba okubine ku bantu betwazaje katubirebe
mambo pisha sijui mimi ni nambari ngapi hapa afdani
wewe sio mwizi
kabisa sasa nimekuwa mwizi namna gani
asante tubebaziza mwebali kujjumbira ensonga eno okubategeeza wawe tutuuse kukunganya emikono nga bwe mulaba gibadde gitambudde bulungi kubanga we tutuuse mukadde kalo toyinza kugamba nti no nina emikono 3 oba 4 akasero kaffe kali mu tengetenge tumaze okuyita mu kimu kyakubiri kye twetaaga kale n'olwekyo omwangu oba omwogezi w'amangu agamba nti ensolo twagikutte edda ku bwoya era neebaza ababaka ba palamenti abasobodde okuyimirirawo ne batuwa emikono. Ensonga eno tebadde nnyangu kubanga nga bwe mukimanyi palamenti eri mu kuwummula naye twebaza mmwe bannamawulire abasobodde okukuumira ensonga eno waggulu. Tusanze of course omulimu nga guno tegubeera mwangu, tusanze obuzibu kubanga ababaka tebali wano, naye ababaka abamu babadde bavuga butereevu ne bajja ku mmeeza okusayininga ne baddayo. N'olwekyo omulimu ogw'okusayininga emikono gukyagenda bukwakku. Tubeebaza, twebaza nammwe bannayuganda yonna gye muli abakubidde enduulu ne mujjukiza ne mutegeeza ababaka bammwe ababakiikirira nti omulimu gw'abalondesa kugenda kutaasa nsimbi ya wa musolo nga tukulaba oli wano okola ki, kubanga ababaka abalala bagufudde omugano bayitooloola bali mu bizinesi bekwese tebavaayo kwanjuluka.
Tuzze leero okuteeka emikono gyaffe ku kiwandiiko ekijjamu obwesige abamu ku bannaffe okuva mu kakiiko ba commission etwala parliament olw'okuba nti balina emirimu gye beenyigiramu oba omuze ogw'okulya enguzi oba okwegabira ensimbi y'omusolo gwe beenyigiramu nga bali mu commission eyo. Kino tetukikola nti tulina omuntu gwe tulwana, nedda tetulwana mukulembeze yenna bannaffe ba colleagues mu parliament era tubasamu ekitiibwa nti balondebwa abantu abasindika okujja okukiikirira wamu naffe. Naye nga parliament ey'abantu nga abakulembeze ab'abantu tuzenga tusuubiza abantu tugenda yimirira n'eddoboozi limu okulwanyisa ebintu byonna ebinyigiriza abantu, okulwanyisa obulyake, okulwanyisa okulinyirira amateeka g'abantu oba eddembe ly'obuntu, okulwanyisa buli kikolwa ekiraga nti ddala kiva ku core values twasuubiza abantu ng'abakulembeze abaagala Uganda ekulaakulana era Uganda ey'enkya.
Sooka okwebaza bannaffe abatandiseewo omulamwa guno omukulu ennyo. Nze ne ku lw'abantu ba Bukoto East mu Masaka district nvuddeyo tekeko omukono ekisooka ezimu ku core values zaffe nga parliament oba empagi Ssedduge kwe tusimbye nga parliament kwe kulwanyisa obuli bw'enguzi. Tulina okubeera nga tuli transparent, tulina okubeera nga tuli accountable. Tojja kgenda ng'omubaka wa parliament otule kakiiko akanoonyereza ku bitongole ebyali bya gavumenti ate nga naawe weekobaana mu kwegabira ssente z'omuwi w'omusolo. So okuyimirira wano sirinda buzibu ku kamishona yenna, naye nze njagala amateeka galamule ate kye baakola manabo bakimanyi bulungi tikimenya amateeka. So okuyimirira wano n'okujja okuteekako omukono gwange kabonero akalaga solidarity eri ababaka ba parliament abaagala parliament etambulire ng'etambulira ku core values zaayo, transparency and accountability, tusobole okutambuza ensonga zino nga bannayuganda bakimanyi nti abali eyo abaatwesiga abangi bakimanyi nti fe abaka baabwe tuyimirirawo ku lwabwe era ensonga kwe baatusindikira tukyaziyimiriddeko bulungi.
Of war is sent me here and they have the trust. So when you hear out in the public, parliament, I'm not one of those. Just only 1 or 2 or 3 people taint the picture of all of us, taint all the good. You know, I dress white like Rastafari. Now, any small dent here, everybody will see it. And I don't blame the public, because those of us who are good, what have we said? What have we done? We must be seen to discipline our own. Those of us who have a semblance of discipline. Yes. I want to say, Honorable, thank you so much for mobilizing.
Thank you.
And especially also mobilizing me. I only came from Bugisu yesterday night for this purpose. Thank you so much.
Parliament ebadde nnyo mu mawulire nga batugamba nga batuli enguzi. Awo nno wetusifunayo entandikwa era no saddaaka. Njagala okutwala omukisa guno okwebaza NUP. Twakitegeererawo kubanga ffe twasayininga ne tulayira ejjinja nti tugenda kulwanyisa enguzi ku zero level. Era wetwalaba owaffe ne bamusaba resigninge naye nekitajja bulungi. Kakati awo nno NUP yalengerera wala. Twagala okwebaza nti ku mulundi guno NRM, bamemba ba NRM be basose n'okuvaayo okulaba nti badraftinga motion eno ya shensha. Era fete tulina kyakukola kirala kyonna okujjako okuteekako omukono n'okulaba nti tuwagira nsayiniza olunaku olwaleero. Kino tetulwanyisa muntu omu nedda, tulwanirira institution ya parliament ebadde yonoonese nga buli wamu batutaddeko ku lyanguzi, batudiscussinzeeko mu parliament ez'enjawulo ku lyanguzi. Era tukivumirira nnyo ekyo kyagenda maaso. Nze ng'omubaka maze okuteekako omukono nkubiriza ababaka bannange naddala mu ab'opposition abeera batusomoozezza nnyo mu ab'opposition ate asayininge otegera nti alina ekizibu.
Ahabwa GNTV yagaruka otya ndi Clinton nahabwe Mjomba.
Twagumizamu abikwatirine na kigombe kya National Unity Platform okurugeba akatebekanisa enkunganya zabe zibarije kuba bino mu ihanga rya Uganda mbichwe kabitare mwe na bumwe. Umugambizi wa polisi Western Sa Friday nanga yargo yahamya ngo ubuzima bikirizine nabo ahamiringo yibarije ku bantu batwazamo enkunganya zabo ngo kandi nibije kubahereza obukume bwono barukwenda katubirebe.
Bwanyuma ya polisi ya Uganda kurugaye kabuganaho abebembezi b'ekibina ekya National Unity Platform izibe yayimwe bazyo bakasa kubana bahajana ahanshonga zari zimwe na zimwe ezikwatirine n'enteraneza NUP ezinzigendo misho mukutaya yo muhanga ryona obwahati bikirizine ngo bagira amateka gubakuratera kurigera ahumugambirizo wa polisi Ochinsa Fred nanga najangwa bebembezi ba NUP bine bagumana bamanyisa ofisi ya IGP ningashi omudomizi wa polisi ya Uganda nteba kubana bazakora ngo barebe baba biriyo mateka ngandi bagume babahanikire baraha omubwire kandi nano buciko bwe byo kwerinda bwa district C ezi abantu bakubona bazamu bagume banze bashitame barebe byo kwerinda kubemerera mu cwekecho nano mwanya ogwakuza kubana bemereramu abebembezi ba NUP obwahati no kutekaho umuntu aragumina ashuganitsa polisi amwe n'ekibina cya National Unity Platform nkana zaguma nakwatagana n'aba bambuga nkuru za polisi ya Uganda omuri Naguru hamwe n'abadumizi ba polisi iyo mbyanga bitarumwe na bimwe akuba kwasa kora kurungi enanga natushobora
offering security and monitoring the continuous regional consultative and mobilization drives by different political groups. Like we indicated last week, the number of regional consultative meetings that are going on in different parts of the country, but majorly the FDC Katonga group held its regional consultative meeting in Masaka unhindered. It was headed by the retired Colonel Dr. Kiza Besije, who was accompanied by members of FDC Katonga like Honorable Semoju, Honorable Birigwa, Honorable Isabiri, Honorable Nyakato Asnas. And after there, they proceeded to Busia. They also carried out a consultative meeting in Busia, of course, under the protective cover and security of the police. The ANT party, led by retired Major General Mugisha Muntu, also carried out consultative meetings and mobilization campaigns in the sub-counties of Peta, Nagongera, Mukuju, Osukuru, among others in the areas of Busia, Tororo. The UPC party under Honorable Jimmy Akena, the party president, also carried out consultative meetings in Kitgum. Now we are happy to inform you that today the police and the NUP leadership are holding a meeting that is taking place right now to purposely harmonize the implementation of the police guidelines regarding public meetings. You remember very well in one of the letters written by the NUP, they had asked for this engagement so that we can see how they can remain law-abiding and fully comply with the police guidelines for the safety of all Ugandans in those places where they go carrying out their consultative meetings. We shall give an update of the outcome of our police NUP engagement.
abebembezi ab'ekibiina eky'orubaju habura gavumenti ekya NUP bebembirwe Honorable Joel Senyonyi barugayo nabo icyo bashobora omu rukiiko rwabo ku polisi banyuma yo kubikiriza okubarije ku bantu bagenda omu nterane zabo zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi omuri abo Honorable Medet Segona yahamiza abanya-Uganda kwari okuzagumizamo n'enteekateeka zabo okwetorora ihanga rya Uganda niko kushaba ngu bona barukagira ekibiina kya NUP batakatina okwejumbira mu nkunganyezi katubirebe
bwanyuma y'ekibiina cy'orubaju habura gavumenti ekya National Unity Platform izo bari nyuma zo kurugayo bakatungaho kubugabuganaho na polisi okugira ngo bakahazana baherezana amagezi okuba kubasa kwetorora ihanga rya Uganda batatungire mu kuteganisibwa kwa polisi hamwe na no gukora ibitakwikirizibwa polisi wewe kitinisa Fred Nyanzi Sentamu ogunore chairman w'ekigombe cy'orubaju habura gavumenti ekya National Unity Platform yargayo no kwereka okushemerwa kwe ari kugira ngo polisi ubwa hati yatanga kugira mu obulinganiza obabikiza kugira ngo betorore ihanga rya Uganda nuko futera abantu omaranga okugira ngo ahantu hona ibaye batiro mu nteekateeka biza kwetorora biza kuzayo kandi batine futeganisibwa kuona
kungira kibiina kyaffe na kungira nkyukakyuka abantu b'emukono programu yaffe kyagenda ngabo yakoleddwa mwena mujje mu bungi muwulizo omukulembeze wammwe ne programu y'ekibiina. Where our meetings have been frustrated elsewhere in the country, I think the party is going to sit and schedule a new program. Jiba tutataganyiza ne tutagenda tugenda kuddamu tukole programu ekibiina kibawo programu endala kutugenda okutambulira naye nga enkya ku Lwokubiri tuli Mukono ffenna ate ku Lwokusatu tuli Masaka. Mwebale nnyo.
Honorable Mededi Segona guno mwishenjero wishaza erya Busiro y'amatemba yargayo no kubanza kwebaza polisi abo kugiraho entekateka no kugira umwanya murungi okugira ngo babikiriza biza kutensezayo ngo kandi bamba basa kugira umwanya gubonire nkogu ngo bagume bagire munako buntu bareke futeganisa ebina byorohabura government
kyetugambye ekitule ekyatulese wano kusooka twagala okuyoza polisi okubeera n'ekifo ekiyonjo bwekiti singa n'abapoliisi abalala wansi babawo omukisa okusulako bwe bati kijja tuwanya essanyu naye nga mbayozayoza okubeera n'ekifo ekirungi bwekiti.
Honorable Mededi Segona yargayo n'okugarukamu ekibuuzo eky'abanyayuganda bembabuuza kugira ngu polisi kuyakwanga kubikiriza mbakora ki ari kugira ngu biza kukora ekyo kyona ekitari kuhenda amateeka konka bono biza kukora buri kikubasika okurebuka ngo bayetora ihanga rya Uganda barukuronda obuhagizi bw'ekibiina kyabo ekya NUP hamwe n'okuhandikisa bamemba babo abasya okugira ngu ekibiina kyabo kikayongera kugira amani kandi baza kushika mu karuru k'2026 babine abahagizi kandi no mwishenjero babine abantu bakubasa kwemereramu.
Ekyokubiri ekyatulese kwe kulungamya empuliziganya yaffe ne polisi n'enkola gye bakolamu emirimu tubagambye tetumenyanga ku tteeka era tetujja kuyiga naye bo ne tubalumiriza okuba nti babadde bamenya amateeka nti obuwabuzi bwabwe tubwetaaga mu kulungamya nkuŋŋaana zaffe okubanga zigenda mu maaso so si mu kuziyimiriza kubanga etteeka teryabakkiriza kukola ekyo. Mubuuziza kiki kye tuzzaako singa banaakola ekyobutali bwesigwa. Amakubo n'emiwaatwa gikyaliwo nnyo mu mateeka ne mu byobufuzi tujja kukola buli ekisoboka mu mateeka okulaba nti tubawaliriza okukola kye balina okukola naye n'ebyobufuzi tujja kubikola kasita tubanga tetumenya mateeka.
Honorable Mededi Segona yargayo n'okuraganisa kuba tarukwiza kukora ebyobutegeki omu kishaka nk'uko abandi bagireyo arukwera icyo kureberaho arikugira ngu nambwe nunkaba Patriotic League abarukwemerwa muhozi kinerwa bariyo bahenda amateka ngukongayo polisi tekwenda kukireba ngo amisho gona bagateka bibina ebyo wazora habura government na munonga ekibina cyabo ekya NUP
tetujja kukolera byabufuzi mu nsiko gye batugamba mugende kungana muzikube ku ttale oba muyitire egindi kubanga ffe tunoonya abantu betugenda okuba mu campaign pozi n'okutuyisa mu ngeri y'enjawulo ku ngeri gye bayisaamu abalala ababulidde aba PLE engeri gye babadde bo batabaalamu eggwanga bajja ne mu kibuga ne batabaalira buli wamu badde ngenda gamba nti ne bazungira buli wamu nzijukira nti ate ono nali kimuganye kati nange sijja kikozesa n'olwekyo balina okutuyisa kyenkanyi n'abalala si tuyisa bubi naye tulina okutambula mu mirembe tulina eddembe okutambulira mu nsi yaffe ebyo binaabiganye tunaakola ebiddako mu byobufuzi n'amateeka.
Mbwenu Segona yargayo n'okuhabura polisi y'ihanga rya Uganda arikugira ngu batakargayo bakamira ekibagambire ngu kandi nabwe kukyakubaho bakabehakana biza kukora ekiri kubasika okurebuka ngu bagendera habaye batensize arikugira ngu mbwenu polisi etekemu amani mingi munonga ngo itaka batebesigwa ngo akuba bariyoni babarebamu akantu ko kwiza kubehakana ngo akube bigambo byabo ebarugamba bulizo bagumana bafutafutana
naye kati binnagaana tibeesigwa naye bamuwaayo omukisa n'olwekyo tibeesigwa wa polisi tumuwaddeyo omukisa oba oli awadde mwalimba omulundi omulala. Mu Buganda batuuma erinnya lyo omusajja gwe bayita tibeesigwa naye tibeesigwa totuga mutuge omulinda n'amala okukola ekikolwa ekirala ekyobutali bwesigwa so obutali bwesigwa bwabwe ekituufu tubulozezzaako tubumanyi bwe tunaabutuukako ogwo omwala tunaagubuuka naye ng'ebyokukola bikyali bingi nnyo mu mateeka ne mu byobufuzi both on the legal and political fronts. There is still a lot that we are able to do if they go against their own word.
Segona yagumiza muno kuhabura polisi okugira ngo bakoreseje amani gubine barukoresa ebiragiro ebyo byonna ngo konka batakateganisa abantu bona oyishireho batekeho obulinganiza.
The gist of the meeting today was about setting the rules clear to everyone. One, to notify them that we have never broken the law, instead they have broken the law. Two, that they can only exercise what we call martial power, but not power within the law. We have never requested for authority and we don't need one, at least they conceded on that, and we agreed it's about notification. Secondly, streamlining the manner of communicating with them. that this time they agree they will receive our letters properly and officially, so we are able to work together. And we are happy to work with the police to do what we are meant to do. So in the regulation, they can only regulate and facilitate and not frustrate. So we have looked at the law and also the practical aspects of politics.
Segona yarigeno kwereka kushemerwa kwe arikugira ngo nahura shemerwa mnonga kushangana koregana na polisi ngwako buri kimuntu cyona ekitarimu byo kwerinda kikagenda omisho arikugira ngo ibarakome okukoregana nabo kurungi na nihanga norakome kweyongera okutunguka.
We are told them as a party we are registered to do politics, and we shall do politics and do politics the proper way. Apart from that, find them on ground providing security. Of course, they complained about our people who provide services they are meant to provide. And we said, yes, we improvise because you are not there to provide those services. And we complained about and against being targeted as a party. In other words, that other people can do something the same way we do it. They are not on the wrong side of the police. If we do it the same way or even better, we're always on the wrong side of the police. One commitment is that we shall never be on the wrong side of the law. The wrong side of the police, as long as the police remains partisan, we shall always be on their wrong side.
Ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya Ndikirinto ni nawe mjomba.
Zatumiraho ntijagaragane ceka cyitwa cya kabiri otargaga rwose.
This is GNTV, releasing life.
New Ways Health Limited abali kushangwa mbara enyuma ya Pelican Hotel ahachombeko cha Zakaria ground floor room number ya kashatu ebaretire mubazi eyo mulembe kandi ebakolire shande nyamulungi eya New Ways Health drink ekyokunywa kyo mutano tichiri marwa tichiri mu food color kandi kiri 100% natural chikozirwe cardamom seeds, cloves, raisins, hibiscus, inanasi hamwe na rosemary. New Ways erimu ebirisa ebirukombe ko mubiri nka zinc, fiber, potassium, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B12, iron na antioxidants kandi chamizibwe aba UNBS okumanya biri kukiraho batera hasi muzabo ezi 0 abirnina ningashi 0 abirnina
bwizoba yona na Uganda yona kutwariza hamwe Kashari Farm Resort niyo hoteli yihorere iyo rabasa kubonererwa mu businje bwawe ukatebenkaniramu ahasigara ukagumurije eco buraro bakaciheza bine deluxe cottages ezora nyamamu weno katebenkana swimming pool orogwa mu mizi dibi oruge mudobi bine gym oraza yona nura magufka weno gumori fiti okugira ngo amagaraga ugatebenkane bine steam na sauna bine ba chefa bakugu abara kutekera cha mushana chachiro hamwe na breakfast bine conference hall orenda korera yenchiko bine garden zinunje munonga orakorera yembaga bine bizaniso by'abana bato bouncing castle Kashari Farm Resort erashangwa mutonto rubaya Mbarara district okwenda kumanya birachiraho shengura noti 2 noti 9 10 3 na noti mushanju noti 8 shanju na mushanju noti 2 Kashari Farm Resort niyo hoteli erasinga yihorere gamba nokora.
People of Mbarara, Chirhura, Ivanda, Isinju, and the Western Region, and Romac Ministries and Charis Bible College brings you Charis Hybrid School in Mbarara. Oh yes, Charis Bible College, new branch in the heart of Mbarara City. To register, please call 0200 330 000 or visit our website at charisuganda.net. Come experience the unconditional love and grace of God through the word. See you there.
is GNTV, releasing life.
Kurukayo na kwakira mu kiweka kitu ekya kabiri cyagarukwesya kandi twagumizamu amahega Uganda haga UPDF gashabirwe okoreka obukugu omukurinda obusinge omunsi yona aratari hangari ya Uganda kandi byona byagambirwa obaryo mu kwetebekanisa omukuzo mu kutendekwa okurije kuba kuri ombalakse ya Gaddafi omuri Jinja katurebe ebiro kurengaho.
Amahega UPDF aga Uganda agakuza kwetaba omukugunjubwa okwa ushirikiano imara mu Rwanda ogwo mu 2013 ningashugweserwe field training exercise bashabwa kurwa bakoreka obushoborozi hamwe n'amani omukurinda obusingi aba bariyo bashomesibwa kandi ogunjubwa okuro kugenda misho ahambuga nkuru za non commissioned officers academy umbarakse ya Gaddafi omuri Jinja.
I'm here to open the training of the deployment into our mission area.